Good morning. How are you all? Today, I will tell about our company, Tricore Sourcing. A brief story about the company. Tricore Sourcing is a leading garments buying house based on Bangladesh, specializing in apparel sourcing, product development, product management, and quality assurance. We act as a trusted bridge between international buyer and Bangladeshi manufacturer, ensuring smooth operation from order placement to final shipment. 100% export ready-made garments, fabric and accessory supplier, selling agent, publicity agents, shipper agent, manager, broker, commission agent, indenting agents, contractor agents, shipper agent, managers and group commission agents, independent agents, contractor agents, shipper agent, manager and brokers commission agent, independent agents, contractor, margin consultant, advisor, stockist and distributors or any person, firm or company, and generally to undertake and carry out agencies and generally work of any kind whatsoever and transit all manner of agencies, booking commission, distribution and advertising business, tech sourcing, which is well established, and manufacturing and sourcing in apparel with business transaction internationally. Tiger sourcing is a customer-focused organization involved in manufacturing and sourcing apparel product. Each operation division has the same objective, which is supplier quality and customer satisfaction. Keeping this in mind, Tiger sourcing has developed work method geared to ongoing attention to each and every step when spattering speeding our project, our procedure ensured to deliver a product within the set time frame the supply quality result. We can offer a supply of wide range of ready-made garments in all categories, overhead and denim bottom of all genders, kids and adults. We also produce circular knit for all genders, kids and adults to establish manufacturing, export, import of all sort of garments of jeans, ladies, girls, boys, toddler, infants, of babies of all ages and their ill product and byproduct and supply, sell and the same in both local and foreign market by installation of imported and local machinery from imported and local raw materials to produce various type of ready-made garments, men's shirt, trouser, baby dresses, jeans pant, shorts, sport dresses, women dresses, blouse and frock, t-shirt, top of international standard and design of export-oriented or any other ready-made garment to establish industry for skin print, emboss print, hand print, batik print, embroidery, and all sorts of fabric, silks, nylon, rayon, synthetic cloth, sari, lungi, bed sheet, and bed cover. To import raw material, spare parts, machineries of all sort for embroidering and other painting work. To import machineries of all types and spare and store of all sorts as would be required for the factory. Finishing, knitting and composite textiles mills and factories for specialized and ready-made garments in Bangladesh, and undertake all other business in connection therewith to carry on the business as import, export and dealer of all general goods, textile items, knit and woven ready-made garments and garment accessories to carry on the business of the trade fabric dyeing, fabric printing, and finishing of textile product to establish and operate knit composite mills, textile mills, sizing, dyeing or printing mills, washing plant, finishing plant, both for manufacturing of knit and woven fabric made of cotton, synthetic, woolen, rayon, and any other fiber for 100% export purpose. Our commitment to quality, reliability, and ethical business practice has made us a dependable sourcing partner for global fashion brand and retailer. Our vision to provide complete apparel sourcing solution that exceed client expectation through innovation, integrity, and excellence in every stage of the production process. We don't just source, we build solution as the definitive partner in Bangladesh. We optimize the entire supply chain to deliver one comprehensive solution for every customer need. Mission to be recognized globally as a leading apparel buying and sourcing partner delivering quality, sustainability, and value to our clients. As Bangladesh premier sourcing collaborator, we create a seamless supply chain experience from concept to delivery. We add value at each step to fulfill all our clients' needs within a single platform. Our core service, product sourcing and development. Tricore sourcing has a dedicated global certificate technical design and design team working closely with brands to study, train, assisting to give birth of new design tech pack, developing the design by sourcing the best material from the global market at competitive price, and finally ensuring 100% fit accuracy for having better comfortability, whether it's a personalized or commercial fit. Merchandising and order management. Coordinate all stages from sampling to shipment, ensuring on-time delivery. We have an outstanding merchandising team in terms of time management and consistency, a balance of support cycle that works for supplier across the globe to ensure the best sourcing option for you. Quality control and inspection. Maintain high standard through in-line, mid-line, and final inspection. Price negotiation and costing. Secure competitive price through efficient sourcing and production planning. Compliance monitoring. Work only with ethically compliant and socially responsible factories. Logistic and shipment support. Handle export documentation, freight coordination, and shipment follow-up. Product range. We offer a wide selection of apparel and knit, woven and denim categories. Knitwear, t-shirt, polo shirt, tank top, hoodies and sweatshirt. Woven, shirts, pant, blouse, trouser, short, skirt and jacket. Denim, jeans, jacket, shirt, and casual bottom, outwear and sportwear, kidswear, menswear, and women'swear. Our strength, experience, and dedicated merchandising team, strong network of compliant factories, transparent and ethical sourcing of practices, in-house quality assurance in inspection team, timely delivery and cost-effective solution, commitment to sustainability and eco-friendly production. Why choose our quality beyond question? We integrate quality at every step, ensuring flawless execution from concept of completion. Future focused innovation, we constantly refine our process to deliver next generation product and superior efficiency. Partner in our vision. We don't just take order, we collaborate to create custom solutions that drive our success. Ethical at heart. We are dedicated to sustainable manufacturing, making responsibly choose for our planet of and our people. Our market. We export to major market including Europe, USA, Canada, Australia, and Middle East. Our promise. We ensure total satisfaction by combining professional expertise, continuous communication, and un- and uncompromising quality control. Your trust is our success. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our garment buying house. We look forward to the opportunity to support your sourcing needs and deliver dependable quality assurance at every stage. Bye.